Hi, everybody. I'm Kate Waldhauser with Portage Based Solutions, and I really wanted to take this time to show you how Twilio and FileMaker integrate. So this is an example about getting started with Twilio and then building a flow to send and receive SMS messages. So I'll just dive right in. The first step is going to be getting started with your Twilio account, simply filling out a form. It's free to start. You want to go to your dashboard and copy your account SID and Auth token. That's important so that you can move on to the next step in Claris Connect, where you start building your flow and you'll create a new SMS message. When you sign into Twilio, you'll paste that Auth token and account SID in right when you get started. Then the next step is, of course, saving your flow, clicking continue, and sending that, this is a flow to receive an SMS message. So when I text an SMS message to that phone number that I defined in Twilio, then it adds a record in my FileMaker database. So I automatically get to capture that SMS record was received. Sending an SMS message from FileMaker, again, is the same deal. You add a button in FileMaker to start that. That's called your script trigger. Then you use the Twilio API to send the SMS message. If there's an error, you can log that error in your FileMaker database. If not, you can record that SMS message in your database as sent. And this is what that flow looks like. So you're simply using FileMaker interface, typing in a message, sending it to somebody, seeing it show up in your chat. And then when somebody responds to that message, you see their answer right there. So this is a really useful flow and a really simple one to get started with. I think SMS messaging and connected with FileMaker can solve a lot of workflow and business issues. And we're more than happy to speak with you and give you more detail about how to make that work. All right. Thank you.